Kenya police say oh my ebeye omaya bia bepe say obeba but eden na nipa na ba beye adwen be na nipa na de ba. That is one thing we should ask. Sanka nyuma busu ha na nkofo pese omo ba ebeye adwuma ha. I think sanka no dey ankaye but omo ba eden na omo ba beye. So that is another question on its own. Doesn't mean say security no na enye tight enti na obi atumi intrude in and now say
Mema akaba eba too much dwumadie asema aba beto mepono so ene se eye enkrofo bia na kiache won ato prison enso ye ide o maye prison break pa won break free Nigeria prison won nya be bia anko o ma beni wo ho o ma anko Togo so a o mo anko ho na ye ide o mo de o mani ekre o my Ghana na ebra wo mo ebedu adano eno no so wa o mo the money extra and Accra gasere so mo ba bebo mo eja na ye na police for eso wo o my Ghana police for my ade na ma to safre bi nya be ma bitam ni no e ba be pensem mu adofo jimre na ye ba ma to aso for kame ho na ye mo Peter Akwaba nana o ma ye fe.
that's it also high.
Bibi aboko.
This one now swear.
Na mi adom ye ho eye. Peter na no asemi a ababe toje. Desabe to Ghana esresui. Efa nkofo mo breaki every prison. Etimia ba be dra eye o my Ghana mu. Uzuzu say security enye tight ana.
We dem that too much for na for as make your way. Okay, Ghana police for fine. Like I said, prison breakers no anka breakthrough, but Fufia and I think that we have to applaud the Ghana police service because we share maybe move in Nigeria or neighboring countries or Benin or in friends and Togo so but to me a BT as my baby Ghana show more Ghana there. I think it confirms a report that came out in 2020 as the top 10 best police services in Africa. Now Ghana it also 8. According to that report, now the two incidents with one. Benin any Togo no. One count that first 10 no. Okay. Ghana it first time it also 8 in 2020. Okay, as best police services in Africa. And so, yes, that confirmed that report. Say, just say, prophobic, no more this report. So, I think we have to commend the Ghana police for a good job done because also how much more are done, right? To me, a flower border. So, what happened? What's the immigration services doing at the border there? Then, but to me, so that tells you say the Ghana police services no
yo na ebiom no hunsu so say Ghana ye for too much ama foreigners ntina ni obia sorry ya o say oh my Ghana me person me be dem bi ebebo me hoja
we no dia ankanya bone say oh my ebeye omaya obia be pese obeba but eden na nipa na ba beye adwen be na nipa na de ba. That is one thing we should ask. Sanka nyuma busu ha na nkofo pese omo ba ebeye adwuma ha. I think sanka no dey ankaye but omo ba eden na omo ba beye. So that is another question on its own. Doesn't mean say security no na enye tight enti na obi atumi intrude in and now say yeah o mine na eye enti na omo ba. So those are a few questions that we need to be asking.
Yo, na medase, ne biom no, mesami bisa se, ye my Ghana, foreigner be a buy ye na chese, waba be shop. Obekoya say this is Nigerian shop, this is a Cameroon shop, this is a Niger shop. Just say, oh my Ghana, no Mukanya wono, or more, or more crony youth no crown, ye Jumaya day, but or foreigner no buy and I don't know about baby shops. ɛwɔ hɔ wo hye wo su sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ wɔ sɛ Ghana ban ɛma ɔmo saa akonya mu ɔmo yɛ saa adeɛ na bi sɛ wo kɔ ɔmo krom a ɛnyɛ kro bia so na ɔmo issue ɔmo saa kɛkɛ sɛ wa baba betena obi krom nti no wo bie shop ama na yɛ yie.
Okay, but I think say the government is aware of this. Anything I want to introduce that Ghana card, no, so that be able to make a differentiate between a Ghanaian as a citizen and a foreigner. And yeah, they are my buying a bit to me account in just a day. So yeah, my buying them record crap now on fire and you my Ghana card to me. So say and that is because the process to me and 50 was okay, where you're foreigner, where you say. So I think say idea we all have to help because there was a time I have a friend our in Nigeria occasionally said because in Dubai they see Nigeria for Enya visa we a Nigerian passport holder Enya visa in Dubai eti oba Ghana ebe your passport or Ghana on your passport in 3 days and then or 1,500 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, so Ghana passport, 50 cedis and 100 cedis. So why a man of that passport, no? You see, so it comes back to corruption. It's an idea, and yet 1 day thing. We have to. Yet now, as I say, I said, so how was that person able to acquire Ghanaian passport? Meanwhile, he's a Nigerian citizen. It's corruption. No, I said. Amanema we dina airport society.
You know sense so say foreigners be go Ghana memunti na ama egudie ya ekosui any saka we adoso e wo my Ghana mu.
Eno de it's a fact. Can who be. Menka say ahoho no kwa na body because you say probia mensa wo mu Ghana for na kasa aboni for but then what is the rate of foreigners we have in our country and where are they coming from? That is and also yeah as I said
nti na no saa no wo hya e de anye betimi di egugu kwan mama sa enyema we nyina eto echa
one I was say you strengthen your borders no that is by sea by air by land I will say you strengthen because I confirm what come wasem so we break prison from Nigeria or maybe to maybe do Ghana what happened at the border because when them say we free Nigeria however with by land a flower border it's immigration for no more no e dey no more here it's a customs so say immigration for no e dey no more here so we need to strengthen our borders ba or mine more e dey now what is your purpose of coming? Is it a visit or is it for business? A business to me so these are few things that we need to put in place out of selfish interest foreign appear to me buy to acquire said office space, shop, whatsoever. So I think one, the major thing we need to consider is the our borders, our borders. I say you strengthen your borders ni pa say obi ba ye checking nipa na oba no o won krata so obetina Ghana oba be ye den ofiri na eba. So I believe those are the few things if we put in place sa and some money na to bit me twa mind.
Okay, na ye di bibia ye ba bebo ye nkomodie no emutofa no ozuzu se Ghana ha ye di emra eye adwuma pa.
Emra de asemo to me enka because emra no ho but then you see that being kan corruption emra no attitude bi kra edin obenya obi a obeka say menua bi ewa ban mu nti koka bi ma no saa na hokko na omo eba no so hokko bi bedi boni oman mu kra no a obenya pani bi a otua kakra ma no a obefa no ho adi so enye easy say the Sunday making to be trapped in just a day processes unless say we remove those corrupt persons in office
and then say reshuffling or was say bem one
pan bia so not there I was say bem pa I believe say I think one of our former president Professor Mills some time back or can say if it will take him to remove all the officers of customs that's all mine because corruption at the entry point is so high. That was one of the visions of the late president Professor Mills. But I'm friend the cry is I believe said Sanko or the whole hotel now Samuel Manako to me happen because he looked into that. And Kofi Antoata or Colin Crechi. So I believe say penny fund they have to think of the citizens. Now only be about entry points no.
You na yesem ebeba ewiye no ede efutuo e na wo ede ema emabunu ede ye peaceful no ede efutuo na wo ede ma wo.
I business there. So we only see them when it is time for election. About some rebels on mobile, every making promises. They're too about normal part. They don't even regard as someone but you. And I don't think say politicians can do anything for us. Until we the youth no should we should know who we are, what we can also do. That is the only way we can live a successful life because they need to politicians no so they don't have anything for us. And you're more than as youths. Now whatever because Obibia Yabopon Ede and the Pebi so whatever your talent is no, I believe say you can develop it yourself. Know what you can do, know your strength. Now and mark a crowd will be to me their poor, not their poor. But therefore when you enter to politician there's MP there's
That's a pie in your bema Peter. I am for ni enko to politician bia esonomu ni mo bia de den ede emma na me se futu ye nua be me ede etu emne mabune mo be fa dia hye ko to dwem na mo tu na mo so a ebe ebo mo ye pa na ni sa no wonti no minim se opese wo chewadin efa ene ensema me dia be to dwen no me so se ko ye YouTube channel ne ko subscribe e ko too much GA comment section also no chewadin efa ene ensemi we also na ko follow ye on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ya bi de ene ensemi ebre mo no me din e de afia enhroma. E de se ne ye be sen ehia.